Is it too late to start dropshipping? There's an ancient Chinese proverb that says the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. And we can apply that same proverb to dropshipping. The best time to start dropshipping was 20 years ago, and the second best time to start is today. Now, for some of you, the dropshipping you're asking about is the one you heard some guru talk about standing next to his rented Lambo. Find a hot product on TikTok, find it on AliExpress, run some Facebook ads, and make $100K this weekend, bro. Yeah, okay. On this channel, we talk about building a real business with high-ticket dropshipping. Personally, I've owned a business that went to 8+ figures. Go ask that guru if he has. He hasn't. And no, it's not too late to start dropshipping. Have things changed since 2015 when I got started high-ticket dropshipping? Of course they have. I mean, do you even remember what the world looked like pre-2020 at this point? A lot has changed, but opportunities still exist, and online commerce is only going to continue to grow. If you've ever listened to our podcast, the Dropship Podcast, or our Patreon, where we go a little bit deeper on our paid podcast, you've likely heard me talk about mindset or your own BS. And right now I want you to have some self-awareness. Really ask yourself, why are you asking this question in the first place? Is it because deep down inside you're too scared to start? And if just one result in your search said, indeed, dropshipping is dead, it is too late to start, that your BS will be confirmed and you won't have to do the scary part. I bet for a lot of you that is the case, and I've been there too. And if that's you, I want you to try to change that inner voice today. I want you to ask yourself a different question. What if this could work? What if I could be successful? What would that look like? What if today was the day you changed the trajectory of your life? Ultimately, the decision is yours, but John and I are here to help, and we have some resources available to you. Some free resources we have is our podcast, Dropship Podcast, which you can find at dropshippodcast.com or on any of your favorite podcast players. You can also find every episode here on YouTube, along with a bunch of videos that we made just like this one, where you can learn more about high-ticket dropshipping. And in fact, we've given away the entire model on both our podcast and on YouTube. You could literally get started just from our free resources. On top of that, there's a free training on our website. If you simply go to dropshipbreakthrough.com, again, link below, you can sign up for our free training where John will walk you through finding your first products and finding suppliers. We also have some paid resources such as our Patreon podcast, where we go a little bit longer, a little bit more in depth. You can get all back episodes for absolutely free, and all new episodes are just $5. You can find that at Patreon, patreon.com/Dropship Podcast. And we also have a $37 Find Your Product offer. So if you want to pay $37 and have John walk you through exactly how to find your first product, find the niche that you want to get started in, check out the link below in the description. And of course, we have our signature offer, which is our full course. If you want someone to hold your hand through this entire process of high-ticket dropshipping from two people who have been to 8 figures before, who are actually doing this in the trenches, head to dropshipbreakthrough.com and sign up today. With your course purchase, you will get a free premium theme that we purchase for you to get you started as well. So there's a bunch of resources from free to paid, whatever you need. There's no obstacles in your way to get started. It's not too late to get started in dropshipping, but it's on you to get started today.